Hello, my name is Markus Schreier and I've dedicated my life to working in the life science industry, 25 years of which with Thermo Fisher Scientific, the world leader in serving science, which is living a mission of making the world a healthier, cleaner and safer place. I held positions in product management, in general management and at the end, the CEO of Latin America. During this time I got exposed to the Latin American entrepreneurship ecosystem and asked myself how my experience would support those entrepreneurs to help them scaling their businesses internationally. Biotechnology is a technology which involves the use of living organisms. Biotechnology is mainly used in agriculture, in food science and medicine to make useful products or to perform an industrial task. In Chile, the biotechnology finds its solid basis in the rich and diverse nature which provides us access to those organisms, rarely found in other parts of the world. For example, endemic plants or organisms from extreme conditions like the Antarctica or the desert of Atacama. Internationally recognized are also the scientists, well educated and successful. However, the translation of their work into economic value and global impact has failed. That's what inspired me to put GaneshaLab in place. We founded GaneshaLab in 2017 with the goal to transform biotech startups from Latin America into de-risked, valuable assets targeting early exits in international markets. While investors are always looking for solid returns, more and more investors are looking for the opportunity to participate in projects which also impact the problems which we see currently in the world. Biotechnology, per definition, is addressing many of the problems identified and recognized by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Therefore, GaneshaLab ensures through its rigid selection and investment process that our community and our partners and our startups are set out to impact the life of millions of people. It has shown that investors who include co-investing opportunities in their portfolio are more successful. The GaneshaLab co-investment model provides the opportunity to our investors to participate in the most promising deals and over time develop your own high-profile de-risk portfolio, knowing that we continue to support the startups in your portfolio with our expertise. To enable you to decide on such co-investing opportunities, we are offering several dimensions to expand your knowledge in this asset class. Participate in our key events, work with our portfolio company CEOs, access and consult our network of international experts and partners, or interact with your investor colleagues. In biotechnology, a transversal experience is absolutely critical for success, and in each stage, a different set of experiences is needed. I have surrounded myself with a team of international experts and partners which is sharing the same passion, doing well and doing good. We are raising $2 million and we are inviting you to participate in this exciting opportunity. We are using this money to expand our portfolio, increase our participation in the most promising companies, and expand our visibility and brand in Latin America. At the end of the period, we expect to have 26 companies in our portfolio, minimum 6 companies established in the United States, completed our first exit in the United States, and reached a portfolio valuation of well above $200 million. I would like to thank you by reinforcing the message. We are offering an investment opportunity to doing well, to doing good, learn and co-invest. Thank you very much.